We're gonna put some grease in here so that when the caliper goes back on here, there's grease inside of this pin into this socket. This side of the pad needs to slide all the way into that back clip that we put on. And this side has to line up with this guide pin. Put the other pad in. Snug it down after. Throw our tire in. Let's shove our axle in to hold everything together so it doesn't fall apart on us. We've got a brand new washer and nut to go on this bike. Now it's just a matter of torquing down our axle. Our chain's adjusted. Perfect.